Hi everyone, my name is Riddhi and I am your English teacher. So, you are now 6th standard students and you are having very beautiful chapters in your English book. So, first of them is the Unit 1, the World of Colors. We all know that we are surrounded by colors, various colors we see around us, like blue, green, gray, black, brown, red, pink, any color you can take, you will find surrounding by us. So that is, our world is full of color. We can't imagine our life without color. So colors are very much important in our life, because our mood, our mental situation are very much connected with colors. So colors is also having some space in our life. So this unit is about this only the color. But have you ever thought that what if every color starts fighting with each other, starts arguing with each other? Like for the example, blue says to green that you are not good color, and green says to orange that you are so ugly, I don't like you. So what will we do if the color starts fighting? How will we react about that? So this lesson is about the fight of color, and the activity 1 names the quarreling colors part 1. So let us see what happened in this first part. Okay, so long ago, the colors in the rainbow started to quarrel. So we know that there are 7 colors in the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. So what they did? They started to quarrel, means they started arguing with each other about what? Let us see. Each color thought it was the most important color of all. So the fight was about importance, that who is the most important color of all. So every color is coming with its own argument, with its own point. So let us see what every color is saying. So first comes violet. Violet said, I am the color of humility and wisdom. So humility means humbleness, goodness, and wisdom means cleverness, learnedness, knowledge. So if a person is learned, if a person has knowledge, it can be called wise person. We call them wise person. So violet is the color of wisdom. That that humbleness and wisdom is very much prime quality of a human being, of a human life. So we need them most. So violet is correct, that I am the most important because I stands for humility and wisdom. Then comes indigo. So indigo is the color of silence. So it spoke softly, it spoke gently. Indigo means dark blue color. So what indigo spoke softly? Indigo spoke that I am the color of silence. You need me for peace and prayer. So indigo is the color of silence. Silence when we need. When we are in difficult situation, when we are in mental stress, when we are in tension, we need silence. We need peace. You have seen the signboard in hospital that keep silence. What does it mean? That there are some patients in hospitals, they need mental peace, so we have to keep silence in hospital. So silence is and peace is the most important thing in our life. So indigo is the color of silence. So indigo is also the important color. We can't underestimate indigo's argument also. So I am the most important one, and it stands for peace and prayer. So basically indigo stands for holiness, for mental peace. So it is also very important color. Okay, then who comes? Then comes blue, and blue comes with interruption. Blue interrupted. What does it mean? To interrupt means to stop someone speaking and to start speak in between. बीच में बोलना. So blue interrupted that I am the color of water. Oh, blue is also having good point. Water makes up life. Without me, you would be nothing. So as we all know that saying, water is the elixir of life, means जीवन का अमृत है पानी. So blue stands for water. So water, and what we what we would do without water if there is no blue color in our life. So blue, how would water be without blue color, and how would our life be without water? So blue is very much necessary color in our life, and very much prime color of our life. So it is also true that without me you would be nothing. So blue is also very much important color. And who comes after blue? Then comes green. So what green said? Green said that I am the color of nature, and that's why I am the best. Oh, green is also having very good point, that it is the color of nature. How our mind feel happiness when we see the natural scene, the natural landscape at hill station or at beaches. So green is the color of nature, and we are surrounded by nature. Our life cannot be possible without nature and natural things. We are, nature is the base of our life, and green is the color of nature. So green is also very much basic color of our life that we cannot underestimate. Green is important. Then comes yellow. So yellow is very smiling colors. You see in mobile also there are smileys. The emojis are basically of yellow color. So yellow is color of happiness, of smile. So what yellow said, that I bring warmth to the world. Very good argument, that warmth means feeling of security. So yellow gives warmth to the world. The sun, the moon and the stars are all yellow. So that is true. Yellow is the color of light, and light is also very much important in our life. We cannot live without light. We cannot live in darkness. So light we need the most. We need the sun, the moon, the stars the most in our life. And you have studied in science, or you will study, that the sun, the basic color of sun, moon, stars is yellow, nothing else. So yellow is also very much important color. Then comes orange with laughter. Orange laughed and said, I am the color of courage. Surely I am the best. Courage means fearlessness. When we need courage in difficult situation of our life, when we are facing trouble, and at that time we need courage. We need fearlessness to fight with difficult situation, and orange stands for courage. We know that in our tree color also the first color is orange, and the second is white, and then comes green. So orange here also in our tree color also stands for courage. So orange is the color of India also, and the color of courage also. So orange is also very much important color. And so orange point is also very good point, and that we have to consider also. Then who comes? Then comes red. Red shouted. Red talked angrily. Red is the color of anger. So it shouted, I am the sign of strength and authority. Oh, red is also true that it is the sign of strength. Strength and authority means power, and strength means strongness, toughness, that we needs the most in our life. Mental strength and physical strength also, and feeling of power that gives us confidence. So red is where color of strength and authority, and that also the very good quality, very much necessary quality of a human being, that it he or she needs in their life. So red is also very much important color. So this was the fight, the arguments of all colors. So all colors puts their point, their argument very much in proper way, very much correctly. Whether it is violet, whether it is red, orange, green, whether it is yellow, everyone has a point, an argument about their importance, and it is correct also. So how can we decide that should we give the prime importance to any one color, or should we consider their importance equally? So this was for today, this was for this session, and for in next session we will learn the quarreling colors part 2, and we will see the end of this fight in next part, in next activity. Till then you think about it, that how can we decide the result of this all colors fight. Okay, so this was for this session, and hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you and goodbye. Have a good day.